I've seen a lot of issues over the years. Communication issues, territorial issues. 20-something years that I've been here, the culture at Micromold is you guard your territory. The way in which we treated each other, the behavior, it was bad. There were times I'd go home and cry. How much is this job worth it, you know? I need to quit. And we just didn't know how to deal with it. A couple times we brought somebody in. I call them the marriage counselors. When I'm at Skip, I called them, oh, you're the new marriage counselor. Funny thing is I didn't really put much in stock into what was gonna happen with Skip because I've been through this before, and it's always failed. Skip kind of taught us to think differently. So that my whole day's not ruined for 8 hours because something happened the first 5 minutes when I walked in the job. He taught us to discuss our feelings when we want to discuss them, but phrase them in such a way that the person you're talking to doesn't need to feel like they need to defend themselves. And Skip kind of, made a promise to us that the hard decisions would be made if they had to. It was almost like Micromold turned around almost overnight. And it was thanks to Skip. I haven't gone home feeling stressed in like so long. My blood pressure is normal, everything is normal. It's like the office and the shop are coming together a little at a time. We're coming together. And everybody's working towards a goal for Micromold. What can we do to make Micromold successful? If you're in a situation where people aren't getting along, Skip's the guy who's gonna give you the tools that you need to come to work together. I can't remember the last time I heard two people arguing in the shop. People are smiling, it's nice.